Like this selfie stick in Amazon is a must-have for any vlogger, YouTuber, or like traveler. So yeah, it is the best friend for smartphones. Alright.
Hello, hello, can you hear me as I scream your name? Hello, hello.
Hey guys, it's Agara and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And how are you guys doing? Hope you're having a fantastic day like I am having right now. So hey, if you're new to my channel, hey, my name is Awesome AKDoll or AK7Doll TV or AKDoll. I have many nicknames, but I'm going to just mention those three. And also, if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you don't miss any more gadget videos. If you're like a gadget geek like me, you're gonna love this product. And if you think it's necessary to buy this product right here, you can buy it. It's linked in the description. So yeah, let's get on to the video. And also make sure to like and share the video because yeah, I think your like friends or family members will really enjoy it, and they'll buying this gadget is kind of necessary. I'm not forcing you anything, but if it's only necessary for you. But now instead, stop with the chit chatting and let's continue on with the video. So yeah, so let's unbox the gadget. So let's continue on with the unboxing this gadget or package. Also, make sure to cut it carefully so that you won't get hurt. Okay? I just want you guys to be safe. Oh lord. Sometimes it's a pain to cut these. Oh lord. Let me shut up and let's continue opening in a minute. Sorry, I'm very toxic. They really did a good job on like carrying the jacket. So let's unbox this and also enjoy the sound. It's an ASMR channel, okay? Not really, it's an unboxing channel, so yeah. That sounds satisfying. Okay, I don't want to. Okay, let's open it. Using scissors is better. Okay, never mind, it's not. So, never mind, it's not. But now I'm gonna peel it down. And now let's put this somewhere else because, yeah, we had to put it in the recycling bin. So, there is perfect. So, yeah, let's unbox this Petron. Let's unbox this Petron wireless selfie stick. And also, Glam Plus. Okay, Plus. So, yeah, let's open it. Now, let's see what's inside the box. So, okay, I don't know where I got the accent from, but okay. Let's open it. Okay, it was unboxed upside downwards. I don't know if they did that, but okay, let's put this somewhere because I don't know what to use with it. So yeah, let's put this there. So yeah, and wow, it's such a good like selfie stick. It looks, as you know, like it's from the band Petron. Is it? Okay, now, okay, there's more. Okay.
No.
Characters do that, right? There's more. Stuck in there. I'm too lazy to read it. But this gadget, I never seen this type of like closing of a gadget, you know, like when it's like big and then you have to close it. And yeah, let's continue on with this gadget. Technical gadget. So guys, let's start opening this. So first you have to like hold it here, okay? Hold it here. And then hold the bottom part with your right hand. Put the left hand here. And then open it, okay? Like do it like this. I'm gonna repeat it, okay? I'm gonna do it all over again. So yeah, that's how you open this like part of the stick. And also, let's see what we can do with the bottom part. Okay, I have to do it here so that you guys can see it, not only myself. So you can open this part, like as you see there's a tiny little hole there. So you have to open it like there. And yeah. you can like put the stand there. Yeah, like it's very good for like vlogging or like if you want to take simple pictures or like yeah. So you have to keep this up to open this compartment. It's there it is. It's like this part. So yeah, I'm gonna show it correctly. It's this blank part. So yeah, it's this blank part. It's kind of hard to do it, but yeah. And yeah, oh, there's also a tiny little kind of like a baby remote. It's a wireless remote as a remote. Wireless remote. This is the remote. So you have to press it like for 2 seconds for like Bluetooth connecting Wi-Fi and stuff. So yeah, let's put this back there. So yeah, this is how it looks like. So this is how the remote looks like. So now, time to use my mom's phone. Okay, so this is like good for like, you know, taking pictures, vlogs, and this is where you put your stand. So yeah. Also, the thing you didn't know is yeah, it's like 360 degree. I'm gonna show it to you guys, not only myself. You have to use like both hands, but I use only one because bold. So yeah, it has a 360 degree. Yeah, do put it like this and then push down, and yeah, this is how you do it. So yeah, and yeah, it's really nice and all, but the downside of this is if you're having like a big fat phone like my mom's, like a monster like phone, it's not really that sturdy. If you want to put the phone like this and then like oof, okay, like it goes down. So I wouldn't really recommend you to do this because it's not that sturdy if you have like a very big phone. So yeah, now yeah, that's the downside of it. Let's move on to the highlights of this product. Hope you enjoyed the demo because I really had a fun time doing it, you know. It is portable. It is portable, which is awesome. It comes with Bluetooth connectivity. So that's why there's a baby remote. I repeat. It comes with a wireless remote, So yeah, it's pretty cute and small. It comes with a tripod. Let's go to the next highlight of this product. It comes with 2 color variants, black and red. So let's go to the next highlight of this product. It is travel friendly, which is awesome. Best friend for smartphones, which is godly. It is the best friend for smartphones. It comes with a replaceable battery. Alright. It is not quite sturdy because if you have a big phone like this, which I already told you, but yeah, like it falls. Let's go to the next highlights of this product. Like this selfie stick in Amazon is a must-have for any vlogger, YouTuber, or like traveler. So yeah, it is available on a good deal. Link in description. So yeah, let's go to the next highlights of this product. Okay guys, we have finally came to the end of the video. Wait. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Wait, yeah. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure to hit the bell. Ding! And see more of my videos.